Yeah, it's actually not that difficult. It seems scary at first, but anybody's able to do this. As long as you take it slow and you apply a lot of heat, you'll be fine. Just keep looking at the surface. You know, if you see too much distortion, you went too far. It's a clean pull when you have a nice gradual start here, and then you have a pull here, and then it goes back into the OEM line. So it's like almost like when you see the car pull, you know, with the fenders rolled and pulled, you can't even tell. So principles are heat and take your time. That's it. Yeah, so let's get it done. I mean, I feel like I didn't roll enough here. Compared to the other side, it's a little bit flatter there. So that means I didn't apply too much enough pressure. So I'm gonna heat it up again, and I'm gonna pull it more. And when you pull it, it rolls even flatter. Basically, the more pressure you apply, the flatter your lip gets. So you want it as flat as possible. If you're trying to, you know, squeeze a lot of width, a lot of offset, or low offset. I mean, ideally, I want to run something like plus 22 offset, 10.5 inch width, but that's a little too much. Although, looking at the fitment now, I think it's possible, so we'll see. Might be too much. Spin this thing until you sort of see a bulge. Massage it, essentially that's what it's about. Just keep rolling back and forth, you know. You can do giant sweeps, or you can do small ones like this. The fender's cooling off, so you want to keep heating it up. So all the previous times that I've done this, I've had either a friend or a professional do this. Every single time the paint cracked. And all those times, one thing that I did notice is they didn't use enough heat. I mean, they heated it up and then they kept rolling and rolling, and I forgot about heating it up again. So as the fender cools off, of course, that's when the crack happens. The lip used to be 90-degree angle. Now you're stretching it where it's almost flat with the outer edge. If you don't heat it up, as it stretches, boom. And once you crack it, there's really no way to fix it. I mean, some people say super glue, some heat. You know, you gotta call one of those guys who can help you repair this. But so that's pretty much it for the fenders here, and hope you guys find it useful. So the trick once again is heat and taking your time. You know, just even pulls, even rolls. So right now I rolled it pretty flat and no cracking, no issues, no waviness to the surface. That's the most important thing you want to avoid, is the wavy surfaces. You know, that's when you apply too much pressure and all at once. So the trick is to apply bit by bit. So yeah.